Every time you hit a button on your washer, you're talking to the subcontrol board, the user interface that tells the machine what to do. When that board stops listening, the whole washer goes quiet. I'm Rory with AppliancePartsPros.com, and today we're replacing it. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. You'll need a Phillips head and a small flat blade screwdriver. And remember, unplug the washer or flip the breaker. No shortcuts. Remove 6 screws from the back of the control panel, corners and middle. Then release the side tabs and lift it off the top. If it's tight, slide a flat blade gently under the edge. No forcing it. Pull the encoder knob straight out. Flip the console. Remove the screws holding the control assembly and release the locking tabs. The whole control assembly lifts right out. Pop the small tabs on the control cover and lift it off. Inside, you'll see the main control and subcontrol boards, side by side. Before disconnecting anything, take a quick photo. Future you will thank you. Then disconnect the harnesses and separate the assembly. The 2 boards snap together. Release the locking tabs and the subcontrol board comes free. Here's the old subcontrol board and the new one. If you don't have yours yet, grab it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Snap the new subcontrol onto the main control and reconnect the harnesses until they click. Everything should seat snugly. Snap the control cover back on, mount the assembly where it came from, secure the screws, reinstall the knob, flip the console into place and tighten those 6 screws across the back. Plug the washer back in, power it up, and that's it. Your new subcontrol board is in and ready to go. Nice job. If you've got tips, questions, or stories from your own repair, drop them in the comments. And if you still need parts, head to AppliancePartsPros.com. Fast shipping, solid advice, and everything you need to keep your washer running. I'm Rory, and I'll see you in the next repair.